Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can write viral script through SnapDM and you can schedule it in the calendar, also write SEO caption and trending hashtag. So let's get started. So in the dashboard, you will see Creator OS and click here and you have to click on a script writer first and select your language, and here you have to write your topic. So my topic is how to shoot video through phone at outdoor. So I have to write about that for reels. And if you want to add any hook line, then you need to write here, and if you don't want, just leave it. I will leave it here. At below you will see that freebies or DM offer. If you want to share any freebies like any prompt, any hook, or any website link, PDF, anything else, then you just need to check it out it to S. And what will you send? Select whatever you want to send. Like I want to share checklist. What will this freebies help with? So help them to keep all the stuff before going to shooting. CTA keyword is follow a strategy. In the strategy, you have to set up the tone like a storytelling, humorous, motivational, controversial, whatever you want. So I'll add it to the storytelling type and select your video timing. So it's better to 45 seconds. What is your goal for this reel? So here is the goals. You can select whatever you want. Creator niche. So my creator niche is Instagram growth. Right, everything has been done. Now click on generate viral script. Just wait for a few seconds. So a script has been generated here. Scroll down to below and you can see that here is the hook: shooting a stunning outdoor videos without fancy gear. So the script has been around the gears. So here is your main content. See, I have given the prompt which make it wider for the AI to create any type of a script according to this prompt. But if I give them any a specific prompt related to that videos, so AI will generate the script according to that prompt. So here is the CTA. You can change its CTA according to your tone, and here at the final script preview, here is the hook and it is the script, and at the below it is the CTA. You can revise this script, and here is the prompt you have to type for the revision. So I want this script should be around checklist. So I have given the prompt for that and click on revise script. So here is the script related to checklist. Outdoor video shooting can feel overwhelming, right? You think it's all about expensive gear, but here is the truth: not good. Good lighting, composition, and etc. Make sure you have a good checklist to keep track of everything. I'll make it shooting a breeze. So a script has been generated. Now you can generate captions and hashtag here for your reel. So here is the caption and here is the trending hashtag related to your reel. Now this script can be added to calendar from here. You just have to write something like outdoor shooting tips. It's a title, topic, schedule date. So if you want to change the date, you can select it here. Just I want to shoot this video at the 10th of June. So here you can change it, schedule time, platform where you want to paste. So select your platform and a status planned, and here is captions, notes, everything else. You just have to click on save button. That's it. When you come to content calendar, you can see that at the 10th of June here is a video which is in planned, and at the bottom you can see that upcoming topics. So this is the way you can write your script, your captions, trending hashtag, and plan your script through this calendar, and it will keep you consistent for your reels. So thank you for watching. See you soon.